and welcome back to a brand new episode of Planet Bollywood. It's the first episode of 2021, so let me begin by wishing you all a very, very happy and merry new year. I hope you guys partied hard, well, at home, of course, and welcomed in 2021 with plenty of hope and excitement. तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं इस साल का पहला एपिसोड. Hello and welcome to Planet Bollywood. My name is Manish and I bring you all the latest from the world of Bollywood and social media. Before I begin today's episode, let me remind you guys to check out our Zoom Facebook page, which has all the news about your favorite B-Town celebrities. And on that note, here are our top stories. Celeb weddings we are eagerly looking forward to in 2021. Hrithik Roshan to Alia Bhatt. 5 Bollywood celebrities who bought multi-crore homes recently. Sonu Sood believes that he has a lot more to do in his efforts to help people. B-Town celebs who served the needy during the pandemic. अगर pandemic और lockdown नहीं होता तो maybe we would have been able to witness at least 3 big Bollywood weddings in 2020. But thanks to the lockdown restrictions, we can only wait and hope that 2021 gives us a chance to enjoy some band, baja and barat. Guys, let's be honest. All of us love a celebrity wedding. Whether it's a large scale or small scale, intimate or with a huge crowd attending, people around the world are excited to see well-known couples get married and start their lives together as husband and wife. So, कौन है वो celeb couples जिनकी शादियों का हमें है बेसब्री से इंतजार? Take a look. Ranbir Kapoor and Alia Bhatt met on the sets of Brahmastra, and Cupid soon struck the good-looking pair. The two made their relationship official at an awards show when Alia told Ranbir that she loved him and called him her special one. Both their families have also become very close over the years, and during a recent interview, Ranbir spilled the beans on their marriage plans. According to the Sanju Star, marriage was on the cards this year, लेकिन pandemic, lockdown और ऋषि जी के गुजरने की वजह से their plans have been postponed. Here's hoping that the pair make new wedding plans soon and give us all something to look forward to. Richa Chadha and Ali Fazal. The adorable pair and jodi of talented actors also met on a movie set and have been in a steady relationship for several years now. Ali and Richa were all set to get married in April this year, but after making all preparations, उन्हें अपनी शादी को postpone करना पड़ा क्योंकि they wanted all their family and friends to attend their big day. They have now decided to get married in 2021, and safe to say, we are as excited as them for their big day. Varun Dhawan and Natasha Dalal. Varun Dhawan and Natasha Dalal have known each other since they were kids, but it's only when Natasha left Mumbai for her college education that the two realized how much they loved each other. Varun and Natasha did not speak openly about their relationship for quite a few years, and Natasha keeps away from the limelight as much as possible even now. But Varun is no longer shying away from admitting his love for his bae or posting pictures with his girlfriend turned fiancée, who reportedly rejected him thrice before agreeing to be his girlfriend. The couple was supposed to marry in December last year, but the wedding was pushed ahead because of his work commitments, and then the pandemic struck. Now we can only hope कि इन दोनों की शादी number 1 जल्द से हो जाए 2021 में. While the pandemic shut movie theaters down and delayed shoots, it didn't stop movie stars from buying some fabulous properties that can make anyone envious. Living at the right address is very crucial in Bollywood. In fact, आपका पता बता सकता है कि आप stardom के address तक पहुंचे हैं या नहीं. Having a lavish home at just the right location can also become a huge talking point with people wanting to take a sneak peek into celebrity homes. While most A-listers have fabulously designed homes, there are some who invested in a new address or added one to their list of properties that they already own. Take a look. Alia Bhatt. The actor, who is one of the biggest stars in the business today, currently lives with her sister Shaheen. But sunne mein aaya hai that Alia has spent a cool 32 crores to buy a 2,460 square foot apartment in Bandra. The apartment is being decorated by none other than Gauri Khan. But सबसे interesting बात ये है that Ranbir Kapoor इसी complex में रहते हैं. So looks like this purchase has some future planning involved as well. Hrithik Roshan has had a fabulous run at the box office for the past 2 years, and it looks like the actor decided to invest his hard-earned money from Super 30 and War into 2 sea-facing apartments that offer fabulous views of the Arabian Sea. Hrithik has reportedly spent a whopping 100 crores to buy 2 apartments located on the 14th, 15th and 16th floor of a building on the Juhu-Versova Link Road. One of these is a duplex apartment while the other is the penthouse. Reports claim that Hrithik wants to join these 2 apartments spread over 38,000 square feet to create a mansion in the air. Ayushmann Khurrana has become one of the bankable stars in Bollywood, and after several back-to-back hits, the actor has now invested in a beautiful home for his family in Chandigarh. Ayushmann purchased a sprawling bungalow in Panchkula near Chandigarh, जहां वो अपने parents, wife Tahira and kids और अपने भाई अपार शक्ति और उनकी वाइफ के साथ रह सकते हैं. Ayushmann had shared in an interview, the Khurranas got a new family home. The entire family decided to buy this new home in which the entire Khurrana family can now stay together. We are looking forward to making new and beautiful memories in our new address. Arshad Varsi has been in the business for several decades now and has made a mark for himself as a versatile character actor who can perform both comedy and dramatic roles with equal impact. The actor, who has been making waves with his performance in films and in web series, has recently purchased a luxurious bungalow in Goa. According to a news report, Arshad has purchased a Portuguese-style villa and a heritage property built in 1875. Yami Gautam, who has been appreciated for her performances in Bala and Ginny Weds Sunny, has reportedly invested in a duplex apartment in Chandigarh. The actor also reportedly invested in 25 acres of land that comes with a heritage home and also owns a farmhouse in Himachal Pradesh. Guys, if there is one actor who has surpassed everyone's expectations of kindness and generosity, it is Sonu Sood. Sonu and his dedicated team of workers have helped almost 7.5 lakh daily wage earners by providing them food, medical supplies, and organizing transport to take people back to their villages or rescue those who have been trapped in locations away from their homes. The soft-spoken and humble Sonu, who is the antithesis of his macho and often villainous on-screen presence, has been recognized internationally for his selfless service during the pandemic and the lockdown. Rudrani Chaturaj had a heartfelt chat with Sonu about what drives him to do the tremendous work that he does. Take a look.
Hello everyone, I'm Rudrani. There's been someone who has made magnificent contribution in changing lives, in making people happy. And I'm talking about that actor, producer, and extremely kind person, Sonu Sood. साल तो चला गया. Now when you sit back and think how the year was for you, क्या ख्याल आता है दिमाग में?
रुद्रानी, मुझे लगता है कि जो मैं कुछ कर पाया हूँ शायद यही एक रीजन था जिसके कारण मैं मुंबई आया था। एक्टिंग इम्पोर्टेंट है, उसी के लिए बहुत मेहनत कर भी रहे हैं और करते भी रहेंगे। बट ये जो जिंदगी के पिछले 9 से 10 महीने निकले हैं, मुझे लगता है कि वो डेफिनेशन थी मेरी जिंदगी की, जो जिसको ढूंढते ढूंढते 18 साल लगे। You never ever realize that you have a purpose and that you discover in the process of what's happening around in life. 2020 was one of the most special years of my life, क्योंकि इस साल ने लोगों को बहुत कुछ सिखाया है। लोगों को दूसरों के लिए जीना सिखाया है, एम्पैथी सिखाया है, लोगों को ये बताया है कि कपड़ों और जूतों की उतनी अहमियत नहीं है जितनी आम जिंदगियों की है। अपने परिवार वालों के साथ कितने समय बिताना है, अहमियत उस चीज की है। क्या हम लोग बोलते हैं यार 2020 बहुत खराब साल था, मैं कहता हूँ खराब नहीं था, ठीक था। जिसने सिखाया आपको, आपसे खुद की इंट्रोडक्शन करवाई है। सो आई थिंक दिस 2020 विल मेक everyone mentally and physically strong, और 2021 के अंदर ये they'll emerge as better human beings.
How did you get across the little bit of negativity that did come in?
देखिए, अगर आप इनके बारे में सोचने लगेंगे तो आप काम ही नहीं कर पाएंगे। तो जब आप सोचेंगे तो फिर आप बोलेंगे इनको कैसे मैं बताऊं, क्या बताऊं। उतनी देर में तो 2-3 लोग बेचारे आप उनको हेल्प करके आगे निकल जाएंगे। तो मुझे लगता है कि तरीका वही होता है कि आप अपना काम करते जाएं। लोग तो बोलेंगे, मेरे डॉक्टर चंद्रप्रकाश द्विवेदी जो हैं, मेरे डायरेक्टर हैं, उन्होंने बोला था सोनू तो इतना कमाल का काम कर रहा है, इसकी बड़ी अलग अलग स्टेजेस होती हैं कि पहले लोग आलोचना करेंगे, फिर लोग बोलेंगे इसका कोई रीजन है वो करने का, फिर उसके बाद अलग रहे, तो बहुत चीजें आएंगी। तेरे को पार करते रहना है। जब तू पार करते रहेगा तो एक स्टेज पे देखेगा कि यार सब लोग ये गायब हो गए, तो ये लोग मेरे लिए एग्जिस्ट कभी करते ही नहीं थे, और मैंने कभी सोचा भी नहीं इनके बारे में, और ये लोग गायब भी हो गए। बहुत सारे ऐसे लोग थे जिनको मैंने खुद अपनी टीम का हिस्सा बनाया कि काम करो यार बॉस, आप इतनी मेहनत करते हो ये पता लगाने में कि भैया ट्वीट करता है या नहीं करता है, तो आप मेरी टीम का हिस्सा बनो। जस्ट यू ऑल्सो टेक सम फ्यू केसेस और आपको मजा आएगा करने में। एंड व्हेन दे बिकेम दैट मेरी टीम का हिस्सा, दे वर सो एम्बैरेस्ड, दे सेड कि यार सुनो, हम तो भैया रात को 2-2 3-3 बजे तक सोने को नहीं मिलता हम लोगों को। मैं क्या, दिस इज व्हाट आई वांटेड यू टू एक्सपीरियंस, एंड दे फील दैट वी आर चेंज ह्यूमन बीइंग्स नाउ। सो आई फील कि सोचना ही नहीं चाहिए कि आपके पास समय कहाँ है, जब आपको लाखों हजारों लोग हर रोज हर मिनट आपको मैसेजेस कर रहे हैं, आप उनको कहाँ बताने जाएंगे कि भैया हम सच है गलत है, कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता। आपके सामने रिजल्ट्स हैं, हर जगह लोगों को पता है, वो फिर धीरे धीरे गायब हो जाते हैं वो लोग।
जब भी किसी को कहीं जाना होता था वो लोग लिखते थे लेट्स जस्ट राइट टू सोनू सूद, वो पहुंचा देंगे हमको, शादी करानी नहीं हो रही है चलो सोनू सूद को। दैट वाज आल्सो वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग राइट, एक मीम बन गया था।
ऑफ कोर्स बड़े कमाल के, तो आई थिंक ऐसा मेंटर भी चलते रहना चाहिए, मस्ती थोड़ी होती रहनी चाहिए। जब किसी की शादी करवानी हो तो बोलते हैं, किसी को घर जाना है, किसी को दारू के ठेके पे जाना है तो वो बोलता है। तो आई थिंक ये सब चीजें बड़ी इंटरेस्टिंग होती हैं। तो मैं खुद ही सबको रिस्पॉन्ड करता हूँ ट्विटर पे, तो सबको मेरी भाषा, मेरा मेरा एक स्टाइल पता है उनको। तो आई थिंक वो दैट कीप्स मी कनेक्टेड विद ऑल द लव्ड वंस।
Sonu, tell me, was there ever a weird nickname or a funny nickname that someone gave you that made you laugh?
And I still have a nickname which is called कुलचा। तो आज भी मुझे मेरे रिलेटिव सारे कुलचा ही बताते हैं, क्योंकि मैं छोटे होते बहुत मोटा था। सो आई मीन दे स्टिल कॉल मी कुलचा।
Next question, if there was an actor that you could quarantine with during the lockdown ताकि आपका quarantine बड़ा मजेदार हो, entertaining हो, वो कौन होता और क्यों?
एक्टर
जी, कोई भी।
एक्चुअली सही पूछो तो ना, मैं क्वारंटाइन करते हूँ, मैं अकेले बेटर समय बिताना चाहूंगा। एक्टर्स के साथ समय बिता नहीं सकते आप। मैं खुद एक एक्टर हूँ। आई थिंक वो ज्यादा अपनी एक्टिंग की बातें करेंगे, इससे बेटर मैं अकेला, मुझे क्वारंटाइन कर दो, मैं अकेले, आई वुड लव टू स्पेंड टाइम ऑन माय ओन।
Fair enough, एक्चुअली बात तो सही है ना?
बिल्कुल 100% बोरिंग होते हैं एक्टर्स।
आपने खुद के बारे में ऐसी कौन सी चीज डिस्कवर की है जो आपको पहले कभी नहीं पता था?
मेरा ये मानना है कि अगर आप लोगों की मदद करने निकले तो आपको तब पता चलता है कि आपकी ताकत क्या है, कितने ताकतवर हो आप। यू जस्ट विल फील वन ऑफ द मोस्ट पावरफुल पीपल इन द वर्ल्ड। तो मैंने ये एक्सपीरियंस किया है कि जब आप लोगों की मदद करने जाते हैं तब पता चलता है आपकी असलियत।
फैमिली के साथ टाइम स्पेंड करने का मौका मिला है ना? ऐसा कोई अनोइंग क्वालिटी है जो उन्होंने पॉइंट आउट किया इस टाइम पे कि यार मतलब ये इतना अनोइंग है ना, ऐसा कुछ है?
अनोइंग ये था कि यार तू घर पे नहीं रहता, जब देखो बाहर आता, रात को 3 बजे घर पे आता है, पता ही नहीं चलता, सुबह 6:30 फिर निकल जाता है परमिशंस के चक्कर में। मैं घर पे रहा ही नहीं यार रुद्रानी, मैं
Yeah.
मैक्सिमम टाइम बाहर ही रहा हूँ, सड़कों पे ही रहा हूँ, पालघर, वसई, नाला सुपारा, ऐसी गली मोहल्ला, कोई ऐसा वडाला, कोई जगह नहीं जहाँ पे मैंने नहीं देखा। सब जगह घूमते-घूमते लोगों को उठाना, उनके घर पहुँचाना, उनको घरों से नई जगह मिली वापस घरों में पहुँचाना, तो पता ही नहीं चला कि लॉकडाउन के 10 महीने कैसे
Mm.
बीते। उन्हीं दुनिया ने ही बहुत बिज़ी रखा।
Aroma, about yourself that really made you laugh? Like a story you read somewhere that really made you laugh कि यार ये क्या है?
ज़िंदगी में इतनी उतार-चढ़ाव देखे हैं लाइफ के अंदर। जैसे मुझे याद है कि जब जैकी चैन के साथ फ़िल्म की थी 7 साल पहले, ये किसी ने पूछा था कि यार तू इतनी, ये आई थिंक आपके ज़ूम का ही इंटरव्यू था उस समय। मैं एक शूट कर रहा था और बोले कि यार तू स्वॉर्ड फाइटिंग सीख रहा है तो क्या क्यों कर रहा है? मैंने बोला क्या पता है कि एक दिन जैकी चैन के साथ फ़िल्म करूँ, और 6-7 साल बाद जैकी चैन के साथ फ़िल्म किया। एंड इफ यू गो थ्रू दैट ज़ूम हिस्ट्री, यू विल फाइंड दैट इंटरव्यू कि उसके अंदर मैंने बोला था, और 7 साल बाद जैकी चैन के साथ इंटरव्यू की तो मैं बड़ा हँसा कि यार ज़िंदगी में देखो कई बार मुँह से बोली हुई चीज़ें जो होती हैं सच हो जाती हैं।
I also heard that people actually approached you on making something on your life. Is this true?
पीपल आर राइटिंग फ्यू थिंग्स, लोगों ने बोला कि हम लोग लिख रहे हैं, वी आर कमिंग अप विद समथिंग वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग। तो मैंने बोला कि यार ऐसा कुछ अभी हुआ नहीं है, ना ऐसा ज़िंदगी में कुछ किया जो हुआ। तो बोल रहे थे कि नहीं, नहीं बड़ा इम्पोर्टेंट है यार, आप तो हर रोज़ एयर लिफ्ट करवाते थे। जब एक एयर लिफ्ट हुआ उस पे पिक्चर बन गई, तो आपकी तो हर रोज़ एयर लिफ्ट होती थी। बट आई मीन दैट वाज़ देयर आर पीपल राइटिंग फ्यू थिंग्स एंड दे वांट टू कम एंड नरेट मी व्हेनेवर इट हैपेंस।
What is it that they can hope for? What is it that you hope happens in 2021?
Yeah, I just hope 2021 is going to be the best year for everyone, and just want to wish everyone a happy new year, have a super rocking year, keep shining always, and stay blessed always. Yeah.
Thank you so much. Lots of love, Sonu. Always lots of love
God
for you.
bless you. Thank you so much,
And
Rudani. God
thank
bless
you.
you.
I'm very, very proud of you. Thank you, Sonu, for being who
Thank
you
you.
are.
Thank you.
And now it's time for a very quick break on the show, but don't go anywhere. We have a lot more on the other side. While 2020 and the pandemic pushed people into the depths of despair, it also showed us how generous, kind, and brave individuals can be when it comes to helping those less fortunate than them. Many Bollywood celebrities came forward to contribute in cash and kind or organize transport, food, and essential supplies for those in need. The pandemic and the extended lockdown created a huge number of problems for daily wage laborers, doctors, police officers, municipal cleaners, and many other frontline warriors who have battled tirelessly to protect us from this unexpected crisis. Bollywood celebrities who often play larger than life characters on screen and end up saving humanity from dangerous situations made every effort to rise up to this unprecedented occasion. Here are 5 celebrities whose exceptional efforts proved that they were heroes not just on screen but off screen as well. Take a look. Sonu Sood. Famous for playing the bad guy on screen, Sonu turned out to be nothing less than a messiah for migrant laborers who were stuck in Mumbai after the lockdown was announced. Sonu organized buses, food, and medical supplies for over 7.5 lakh migrant workers and helped thousands of helpless families travel back to their home states. Whether it's providing a tractor to a poor farmer, funding medical operations for children, or setting up a helpline to assist those affected by the pandemic, Sonu has gone above and beyond to help those worst affected in this crisis. The actor has topped UK's 2020 celebrity list for his selfless good deeds and has proven that real-life heroes don't need to mouth one-liner dialogues or act macho. Shah Rukh Khan. SRK को यूं ही King Khan नहीं बुलाया जाता. The superstar proved that he has a king-sized heart during this crisis after he offered 4 stories of his office building to the BMC as a quarantine facility. The star also assisted doctors and frontline workers by donating 50,000 PPE kits and supplied food provisions to 5,500 families who were left with no income once the lockdown began. SRK also made donations to relief funds and participated in a motivational music video to help spread positivity. Akshay Kumar. Akshay Kumar was one of the first stars to make a donation to the Prime Minister's Relief Fund. The Khiladi donated 25 crores and also contributed another 3 crores to the BMC to fund relief efforts. He also donated 1,000 wristbands to the Mumbai police to help them detect the pandemic-related virus early. Salman Khan. The superstar helped rescue 25,000 daily wagers of the Federation of Western India Cine employees and further extended financial support to them. He also made donations to the members of the All India Special Artists Association and the Spot Boys whose payments were stuck. Salman urged people to follow the government guidelines for the lockdown and asked them to take care of themselves and their families. Priyanka Chopra Jonas. PC has always been at the forefront of efforts to help those in need. The diva provided 10,000 pairs of footwear to frontline workers in Los Angeles, where she has been through the lockdown. The actor also donated to various charities in India and participated in several online charitable efforts, speaking up for those worst affected by the pandemic. The actor also participated in a motivational video that featured other leading actors from around the country to spread awareness about social distancing during these difficult times. Well, that's all from me today, guys. Let me wish you all a very, very happy new year once again. And let's hope that this year gives us the strength to overcome the difficult times that we faced and gives us the opportunity to meet and connect with our loved ones once again. Don't forget to check out our Zoom Facebook page and stay in touch with your favorite B-Town celebrities. I'll see you guys again very soon. Until then, ciao.